Good morning everyone, BIMZ here. Welcome to our new video. On today's video, we will stir fry some ground beef and sayote. So ground beef with sayote is simple and easy and very delicious. Check it out. Thanks for coming. All right, konting asin, real salt, garlic, all right, we're gonna brown this ground beef. Our beef is brown now, slightly brown. There we go. We will toss our sayote. Ayan. Itas lang natin ang sayote. Ayan. Then, we'll slowly mix it. Nay. We'll also add a little bit of carrots just for colors. Yeah. So after a few minutes of slow fire, so low fire lang po ha. Yan. Yan na ang itsura. Masarap na. Simple na ginisang giniling, baka na giniling with sayote and shredded carrots. Now you can also add anything like celery if you want. You can also add raisin if you want the color. Anything is impossible. But on this recipe, we only want carrots for color, sayote, and ground beef. Yan. Simmer muna natin yan. Then we'll put a little bit of water. Let this simmer a little bit more. Okay. 2 hours later of simmering, this is our finished product. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye. Alright, we're gonna cook 3 cups of rice. So, i-wash lang natin. I-wash and then i-drain. Wash it at least 3 times. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin ng tubig. Yan. Kuha na natin ang konting tubig. Ayan. So, that's it. Ready na ang ating rice. Ilagay natin sa ating rice cooker. High-tech dito. Wala nang stove rice cooker lang. Ayan. On lang natin. Ayan. Ta-da!